gosh, look at this behind me. Like how, this doesn't even feel real. This is so pretty. We've seen a lot of pretty places from ships before, but this is probably up there with top of the cake. So we are having some coffee this morning out here on the back of the ship, enjoying our morning. We're gonna get off and do some exploring here in Geiranger, Norway. Little fit check. Norway. This is truly such a cool port. Like, so awesome. Look at this little house. What is that? There's people sitting in it. What is it? Oh my gosh, what are these? Why are they so cute? Those are so cute. Are they supposed to be like little troll houses? Adorable. If you're here, it is one big circle that you can come up from the town from where the cruise ships dock, and then you can walk back down. You can either go up the steps and then walk back down this way or come up the incline. I think we did it backwards, but that's okay. We did the steps first and the incline second, so it is absolutely stunning up here. Here's a Norwegian crepe. We're gonna give a try, but this place is just precious. And it's right here as you get off the cruise port. Lovely. The weather's beautiful. It's all just perfect today. Alrighty guys, so we are starting our tour right now. And as you can see behind me is the fjord and how beautiful it is. So we're on a 3-hour afternoon tour to go on up the mountain and see everything. So this is just amazing up here. Like, it doesn't even seem real. This is so cool. Guys, and welcome to another day in Norway. So let's get this day started. Let's get off the ship. I've got a beautiful view right now. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. This town looks so cute, and it's even cuter from the other side. Everyone, and welcome to Bergen. Oh, I'm so excited to be here. We have been looking forward to being in Bergen all week, so we shall see how this is, but this is definitely a larger town than we've been in the last couple days. The other towns that we've been in have been super small, so this has been really cool to be able to walk over. We are going on a boat tour today, so that's very fun. We might go on the funicular, so lots of fun stuff today. So let's get this day started. Alrighty guys, so this is a lovely 3-hour boat tour in this super plush boat. It's nice and heated. They have coffee, they have snacks, they have all the things, and we got this on Get Your Guide. So I will try to find the Get Your Guide thing and show it to you guys, what exactly which one it was, because I'm a big Get Your Guide girl. That's it. So super cool. off of our boat tour and now we are here in the fish market having some lunch. We're gonna get a platter of fish, so I'm gonna show you guys everything we get. But first I wanted to show you guys my view. One, this is inside. How cute is that? We are right here on the water. That's our boat we just got off of. So here's the menu. Got every single type of fish you could literally want. So I think Mom and I are gonna try the small symphony. Yum. Hi, friend. Wow.